Welcome to Progenesis Academy first workshop on ICSI and biopsy techniques. Today we are offering a workshop demonstrated by the best mind in embryology. The workshop will be divided in 30-minute sessions. We have a total of 6 sessions. Sessions are followed by 30 minutes roundtable discussion. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send them through the chat, and we will cover all your questions during the roundtable discussion. And this is what you see is the agenda for the workshop, starting with Dr. Waninger, and then from there we go through the list. So I'm gonna be introducing each one just before the session.